Hello everyone, I am Sonali. In this video, I will show you how to compress your videos using OpenShot video editor using mobile. So first install this app OpenShot video editor. Go to the Play Store and type here OpenShot video editor. See, here is a different video editor. I am using this OpenShot video editor CM Soft. Okay, so install this. I have already installed. So if you want to install, see, select this and click on install when you are using the very first time. I have already installed, so here is the option open. Okay, so I have installed, so here is my OpenShot video editor. So just tap on this. It takes a few seconds. By using the OpenShot video editor, you can join the video, you can cut the videos. Okay, many more options available. So after this, tap on start. See, here is a different option: video cutter, video compress, video to MP3, video mixer. Many more options are available here. We will see one by one all the options in next video. Now we will learn how to compress the video. So tap on video compress. Okay, and select your video. I am selecting this one video. So select your video from your device. Okay, see, this video of 22 seconds, and the size of this video is 54.61 MB. You can compress this video, you can change this. See, this is a, see, here is a minus 52%. You can compress till to the 26.27 MB. So here you can select the high, medium, low. Okay, so I want this medium. Okay, so I am selecting this medium option. Okay, so after this, tap on this checkbox. Okay, after this, select this option at the right top corner. Okay, and so see, here is a processing for this video compression. Okay, it takes the few seconds or few minutes depending on your video size. Okay, and it will give you a result, and you can share this video through WhatsApp, or you can upload directly on a YouTube by using this. We will see other option, how to cut the videos, how to join videos, how to convert the videos into MP3 in next videos. Keep watching, and if you want some videos, then type in a comment box, so I will provide these videos. It takes time. See, here is a progress, frames, then FAS, then size of video, then time. See, after this, that time, so 20.22. so your video timing is 22 seconds. Okay, so till this, okay, this is your, see, these are the some advertise, so just cut it. Okay, so this is your video. Okay, see, here is a name, top of the video, video compressor, this name of your videos. Just you can share this video, so select the option share. You can share via the share me, WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, or you can use the other option also, this messaging, classroom. These are the different option, or you can save it to the drive, you can upload to the photos. These are the different options available, or you can send it to the by using the Gmail also. See, if you want to upload directly on the YouTube, then just you can just tap on the YouTube and you can upload this video. This put the details and you can upload the videos. See, again tap on a share. If you want to share with the WhatsApp, then tap on a WhatsApp and you can share this video. Okay, so again tap on this share option, and if you want to save on drive or in photos, just tap on save to drive and you can save it. Give the name and tap on save. In this way you can compress your videos and you can save it on your drive. Thank you very much for watching.